Hi guys, this is phonearena.com and now we're going to make a quick video review of some of the most popular Android browsers. We'll start with the stock Foro browser and see how it performs. Now it's loading the phonearena.com page, and the first thing that we notice is the fact that it loads pages in a very snappy manner, and you have no problems with that. Pinch to zoom also works really well, and this browser is flash enabled, which means that you will be able to play your videos. The downside of this browser is the fact that the scrolling is not very optimized and it may lag a little bit. Now we are going to continue our video review with the Opera Mobile 10.1 browser. Opera is famous for its absolutely magnificent load rates, as well for the nearly flawless pinch to zoom and scrolling, which we are going to demonstrate just now. As you can see, you have no problems whatsoever with pinch to zoom and scrolling. Another strong point of the Opera Mobile browser is the fact that it supports the Opera Turbo mode, which allows you to save up to 90% of your data costs. The downsides of this browser are the fact that it doesn't support Flash and that it lacks some of the core functions of, say, Skyfire or Dolphin HD. Next in our lineup is the Skyfire browser. It made a name for itself with its flash playing capabilities, and as you can see, the load rates of Skyfire are pretty respectable. They are not as fast as Opera Mobile, for example, but still they are very good. Scrolling and pinch to zoom work very well when there is only one tab present. However, the problem starts when you add more than one tab, because Skyfire tends to lag so much that it becomes virtually unusable. The strong points of Skyfire are the fact that it brings desktop-like feel to your browser on your smartphone with this toolbar here, and with Skyfire 3.0 you got really tight Facebook integration. Let's take a look at Firefox 4 Beta for Android. The very first thing that we notice is the absolutely unbelievable load rates. Of all the browsers that we have tested, Firefox performed the best in that department. The interface is also very intuitive because it is always one swipe away to add or remove a tab. On the right side you got the bookmark button, the back button, the forward button, as well as the settings button. Tabbing, scrolling, as well as pinch to zoom work very well. Another great point of the Firefox browser is that you can sync your PC Firefox browser with your Android Firefox browser, so you can add all your history and so on and so on. The only downside of this browser is that it doesn't support Flash, but it is only a beta, so we guess that at some point it would be added. Our next stop is Xcop, and the very first thing that makes impression is its simple appearance. This may be an issue for some people, and that's why you can download quite a few customized skins for more sophisticated experience. The load rates of Xcop are very good, as well as scrolling and pinch to zoom. But one of the issues with this browser is the fact that page viewing is not very optimized, and on the long run this may cause you quite a few problems. If your device runs Froyo, then you have Flash support as well. The last browser in our video review is the new and optimized version of Dolphin HD. Unlike some of the previous versions of this browser, the new Dolphin HD is doing quite a good job when it comes to loading pages, scrolling, and also pinch to zoom. You got the interface, which is very intuitive, and a lot of the settings are only one swipe away, and also you have plenty of settings which can customize your experience. The problem starts when you load some Flash content, because it starts to lag a little bit, but still you can live with that. For more information on these browsers, please check our in-depth review on www.phonearena.com. Also, it would be great if you share which do you think is the best Android browser. As a final conclusion, we would like to point out that all the browsers that we have reviewed have their strong points and their weak points, but the fact is that a lot of people will find the stock for your browser sufficient for their needs. If you want a very snappy browser which is loading pages really fast and scrolling in pinch to zoom work really great, then probably you should site with Firefox or Opera Mobile. While if you like to play videos quite a lot, then probably the best options available to you are Skyfire and Dolphin HD.